All right, we got a problem right here that we've cleaned this carpet, and we're going to try and see if the steam will take this bad traffic area out, and it's just worn carpet.
To be honest, the angle Joe's at, the carpet looks messed up. But if you come back here where I'm at, you can't even see it. If you hold the camera kind of over the top of it, you really can't see nothing.
Yeah, depending on what angle you're standing at.
It's very little of anything in there, but we're going to get it out.
And the lighting in here might be a little funny because the sun's starting to...
What we're going to do first is spray some heavy duty steam into it, and then we're going to switch and put a pad on it on another floor plate. But we're just going to let it get steam in here.
Now go all the way up past it and pull the back on it.
That's hot, okay.
Go past, don't start on the stain, start past the stain and pull it back.
I will. And honestly, where I'm at, I can't even see the stain in this angle.
Yeah, it's hard to tell. I think y'all switch to the pad right away.
I'll go real soon.
Yeah, it's catching.
It's all right. I'll tell you what though, folks, we're going to take this out, whatever it is. So I think it's damaged carpet. So me and Joe,
it is damaged, but
we don't like doing anything imperfect.
Well, we don't want to leave it that way if we can help it.
We're perfectionists. A lot of people think we're not, but we are. Okay.
I'd switch over. That's too grabby.
Well, it's not that. I'm ready to absorb. If there's anything, if this don't pull dirt up, then there's nothing.
But start past the stain and then go, because don't start right on the stain, start off the stain and pull towards it, you know?
Yeah, we got heat. Now, a few months back, there was a friend of ours. We're still friends with him, but he did every trick in the book to try to get some orange stains out of a white carpet. He couldn't do nothing. He went back over and over again trying to fix these stains. Couldn't get them out. And I said, well, and he had a Dupray Neat. I said, have you tried the Neat? He said, no. I said, well, maybe try the Neat. And he did, and he got everything out. And he was frustrated to death with this whole deal.
I don't know if the lighting is good enough to see this or not. You know, flip the overhead light on if you can. I don't think it'll help, but yeah.
I'll tell you what I'm seeing. I'm seeing there ain't gonna be no stain. Anything left after this is just damaged carpet. Now the reason we're showing you guys this is
control the blinds a little bit.
If you're gonna be like doing carpet cleaning and all you do is have hot water extraction or VLM, bonnet clean or whatever, there's things like this you can't get with those methods. This is like another tool from the old tool bag that will do stuff for you that you can't do without it. I've taken heavy traffic lanes out with this thing that I couldn't get out with nothing. I mean nothing. And I've taken them out in seconds with this deal. This steamer thing is not something to balk at.
Of course, the first rule of carpet cleaning is brag about the results first, and then and then try to clean it, and then make apologies.
The truth is,
right there between your feet, it's dirty there, and you haven't touched it yet. I don't think.
Right here?
Yeah, go back for it. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Don't just clean the stain area, go past it all around.
Well, I'm overlapping, yeah.
Yeah, kind of blend it.
Well, you want to blend the area around in.
Yes, blend and mend it. Yeah, you might hit it from a different angle. See if that helps too.
The thing about this is, when we're done, the carpet will have very little, if any, dampness in it. It's not going to
It was still a little damp from the earlier cleaning. But
yeah, we cleaned it like 5 hours ago, and there's a little bit of dampness because I did a double pass in here with the extractor.
Yeah, we won't know till tomorrow when it dries, has a chance to dry overnight, if this did the trick 100%.
Let's see.
It's not going to show up necessarily.
Because there's very little darkness on there. That's not because it won't take darkness out. It's because it's really not that bad.
Yeah.
Let me, like I said, another another angle, just in case. Now, I don't know what it looks like on camera, but up here, it looks really
I try to hit right in here.
I'm gonna go through the whole area.
You know what? I think they may have had a seam there is why it also looks kind of different too. Don't get the seam loose.
Oh, I don't see the seam.
I think that's what happened. They seamed it along there. And so that's why.
It could be this could be a patch.
That's probably where it looks a little different.
Oh, this
too.
could be a repair.
No, I think there's a seam there.
But that's what I mean, there could be a seam from a repair.
Yeah.
See, these carpets get trashed, and if they're not real trashed, the complex, the management company will have a company do a repair instead of a replacement.
Yeah, I don't know if it's going to show up on video, if it's going to. The rest of the carpet still looks fine. We're not going to walk in the hallway or into those bedrooms. They still look really, really nice.
Oh yeah, everything looks good. This is
This is the only this is the only area that we thought
could use a
could
little
try
bit.
one more thing on it before we give up on it.
And this here, when you got nothing else to do, this is the final touch and we'll do it usually. I've never seen this fail on us.
We've taken out traffic lanes with this before.
I've taken out traffic lanes in my apartment. I couldn't get up for 10 years and just took them out in like 15 seconds. And there's no pre-spray. This is just plain.
To me, it looks like it's not going to really fix it.
It looks like it is fixing it.
I don't know.
I don't see nothing wrong with it now.
Have to wait and see what it looks like when it finally dries.
Very little stain, very little stuff on there. Okay, for fun, we're just gonna run over the
You know what?
floors.
Grab the carpet rake and rake it all so it looks uniform and see if that makes it look different. Move that head. Grab that head real quick and get it out of the way.
I'm gonna tell you right now, there is no,
Just start in that corner and rake this whole
there
carpet.
is not a stain in there. Not at all. There's no stain in there that won't put some darkness on the cloth.
Well, there is it's worn out, you know. Of course, now it's a little wetter than the rest of the carpet, so that's not gonna.
That looks really good.
Yeah, you need to get all your footprints over in the corner, out too.
Well, whenever, before we leave, I will. Let me see here.
I think you picked up some hair
Maybe.
right there,
Where?
right here.
That?
Yeah,
I think.
yeah.
Interesting.
I saw a piece of.
Maybe I did.
Just a minute. There's still dog fur way down in this carpet fibers.
Okay, let's mess with the floors real quick. Let me turn
You
these.
want to steam the floors real quick?
Might as well.
Yeah, we can. We kind of get footprints on them.
We haven't done nothing with the steamer in so long, and hey, there's nothing better on a hard floor than this. I mean, it is quick. I'll start in there and work my way around.
Yeah, get all the, if we left any footprints from the pre-spray or anything anywhere, we'll get them up.
Now I'm gonna back my way out because I know I'm putting footprints in my cleaning, but it's not gonna matter because I'm gonna back out. I'll clean forward and clean backwards. See how fast you can go? I mean, you're talking about 275 degrees of steam. There's nothing cool about this. It's hot.
And that's cool.
Yeah, the heat is cool. That is cool. Hold on.
It's a really dry steam though, so it doesn't get the floor soaking wet.
No, it won't. It won't over soak your floor at all. We've actually got, for those of you who like this Dupray Neat, we've got a big office cleaning coming up that's going to be where it's going to do all the cleaning. If you guys hang on to our channel for a while, and don't quit on us. We're going to put out a conference room, hard floor conference room cleaning.
Yeah, work your way out and come around to this side.
So don't give up on us. We'll be there. I do the bathroom too, but I don't like bathrooms. It's
And
not
don't go, yeah, we don't want to walk on the hallway and get
Well,
that.
it's not that. It's the idea of I don't like cleaning around toilets unless I'm getting paid a fair amount of money. I don't like toilets at all, cleaning around them. I don't have to explain why. That goes without saying. If you want to get in here, you could film. So anytime you need to really move.
Start over in the corner, work your way out.
Okay. Just stay
That way you don't have
behind
to
me.
go over your footprints. Yeah, I'm gonna turn the slide off because I think, yeah,
I don't think you can see nothing with the light on.
yeah. It's hard to see steam with the lighting that we've got.
There's steam on there.
It doesn't show up. The white wall.
Yeah,
shows
that's
it up,
not.
or you can't see it. You need some dark background.
Trust us, there's plenty of steam. I know it's a bummer to watch a steam cleaning video. You don't see a lot of steam, but it's not about the steam, it's about the high heat. Though you can't see the high heat.
Oh, this is a sheet vinyl floor. It looks like wood. It's not wood.
No,
It's fake wood.
fake as the day.
So if you get a shine going in this thing, you can see that there's a little bit. It's just going to disappear when it dries.
Oh, what?
It'll shine.
Yeah, it'll dull up.
It's not going to stay shiny.
No.
All right, I'm gonna get out of the way.
The steamer back to the carpeted area.
Yeah, you can kind of see a shine on the floor because it's damp slightly.
Oh, it's gonna look nice. Oopsie. Come on now.
We haven't done a Dupray Neat video in a long time. And
Well, we kind of got out of doing them.
seems like anyway, we haven't.
This is the Dupray Neat Plus, which for those of you who haven't heard of this, there shouldn't be very many who haven't. This one, it fires up, it turns on and heats up in about 4 minutes. Anywhere from 3 minutes to like
Well, they
4
claim
minutes.
about 90 seconds, but it's not really usable yet.
But
It takes a couple of minutes for it's
the
really.
thing that's nice about this is you can refill it. Like I could run this thing for 10 hours, 12 hours, 24 hours, whatever. 'Cause
Yeah,
can
you just
refill
top
as
it off
you go.
whenever you want.
Yeah, you just refill. Since you can refill it all you like, you can use this every, you can be someplace where you're working for 40 hours and this in a run for 40 hours.
Just use distilled water in it.
Yeah.
The original one, you could use regular tap water and just clean it out once in a while, but they don't really recommend doing that anymore, so. And we had to clean our boiler 2 or 3 times also, and it's kind of a pain in the butt. Overall, it's easier to just use distilled water and not have
Well,
to mess around with
it's
that.
safe. See, we used to not store them with water in them because it was tap water, but this has been stored now for like 4 months or 5 months
Yeah,
with distilled water, and it's not a problem.
we've got 4 neats. We got 2 regular neats and 2 neat pluses.
Yeah.
And so they get rotated in and out of being used.
But there's your steam.
Yeah. All right.
Okay, now hold on. Let's look back at this thing here. Look at this.
I don't think you can tell 100% yet.
I don't think it looks bad at all.
Open that door for a second. See if that lets enough light in to make a difference.
I'll be honest with you. When you stand over the top of it, you don't see nothing. The carpet looks like it's supposed to. There's no darkness. The only darkness you're seeing is from the damage to the carpet because the light's not reflecting off of
Well,
it.
they had a sofa
They had a sofa
sitting
right
right
here.
there, so there's a line where the sofa sat, and then they had their feet here.
You can tell they had some monkey feet.
Well,
because
people dig their heels in when they're sitting.
These people had something on the bottom of their feet that they were pushing off into the
Yeah,
carpet.
the carpet just get, and apparently they had a ton of dogs, so that's gonna, the dog probably laid there at the foot. Of
But
the
whoever
couch.
they were nasty and filthy. Because our carpets are 18 years old,
17,
and
yeah, 18 years old.
never did none of this, never.
No, we've had our cars
And
15
I'm
years.
barefooted in the house all the time, and I mean, I'm not out there running around like an animal in a parking lot.
Well, you can ruin a carpet pretty quick if you're,
With your bare feet.
yeah, if you're not careful.
If you got like, you know, the kind of feet where it looks like you've been running around in the woods all day, and you come in with dirt and tar on your feet.
All right, I'm gonna end the video pretty quick here. We're gonna have to re-rake all this so it looks more like that, and I'm not gonna try to video that there's no room at the
We're
doorway
gonna call
to do
this a success because
well, it's as good as it's gonna get.
Oh, it's done. We pulled very little out of it. It didn't look bad to begin with. We just wanted to do the little final step, and we did, and it's going to be remarkable when it dries.
So hopefully you guys enjoyed that, and even if you didn't, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.